Hi, I am Mukti from SUIT Farm. Today I will show how to find keyword ideas or keyword research content ideas SEO audit from SEMrush. You can get free SEMrush uh, today. Start your free trial for 7 days from semrush.com. You can get it free. Today I will show mainly SEO tools of SEMrush. SEMrush has many items: traffic and markets, local, content, AI, social, advertising, SEO, and many more items. Mainly, it is SEO focused tools. SEO dashboard, competitive research, keyword research, link building, on page and take SEO, content ideas, and extras. Now, we go to the keyword research under keyword magic tool. Now here we enter our seed keyword or main keyword. This is our seed keyword. Our target location USA. Search. All keywords 19.1K total search volume and then average KD. Keyword. First is keyword ideas and then second is intent. Intent, it may be four types of intent. This is commercial intent. Commercial intent means when user or someone to investigate brands, to investigate or research something, when types something on search engine for research or investigate, then it is called commercial intent. Transactional intent, when user wants to complete an action, that means to buy something, then it is called transactional intent. There are four types of intent. One is commercial intent, another is transactional intent, another is information intent. Information intent, that means user wants to find a specific answer of question. Then it is called uh, informational intent. Another is navigational intent. When user wants to find a specific website, it may be Facebook or YouTube, a specific website, then it is called navigational intent. This keyword intent is commercial intent and search volume is 49.5K. Search volume is monthly search volume. On this keyword, average monthly search volume. And KD, that means keyword difficulty. This is very hard. It is not suitable for new website. This keyword, this red sign indicates us. This is authority website. And CPC. CPC, click per cost. That means per cost, click per cost. AI tools. This is a sponsored. When someone click this website, per cost is 7.11. And then surf is surf features. This is surf features. Pupil also asks. It is another surf features. Pupil also search for. This is surf features. This is many ideas of keywords and many keyword difficulties, many more keyword difficulties. But new website, it is not suitable. But we need to find or minimize KD. At first, very easy. Six, 11, 10. But search volume is low, but KD also low, search volume also low, but it is good for new website for rank. Intent, this keyword, talent assistant digital marketing agency. This is informational intent or commercial intent. Both. Search volume 1K, KD 6. From very easy, we go to the easy. Easy, KD is 28, 22. Digital marketing agency for a startup. Search volume is better from easy. From very easy, search volume better than from very easy. It is good for new website for rank. We find it a specific this keyword. E-commerce digital marketing agency. Volume 1K, global volume 5.2K. Keyword difficulty 28, it is easy. Intent, informational intent and commercial both. And CPC. Keyword ideas. And SERP analysis. Pages 69, this website, referring domain 437, backlink 1.8K, search traffic 1.8K. Next is Shopify.com. E-commerce digital marketing agency. This keyword 1 to 10. Number 1 estate.com, number 2 shopify.com. For this keyword. Next, we go to the keyword gap. Keyword gap, that your website domain and competitor domain. We can from here we can get keyword ideas. AI tools. We go to this website or this website. Keyword research, organic research. We can open it another tab. Organic search, organic research, paste, US, and then search. jpr.com. Main organic competitors. HubSpot.com, Click.com, ClickUp.com, Zoho.com, Clean Email, Canva.com, jpr.com. Organic research. Organic competitors. They are organic competitors of jpr.com. Then ClickUp, HubSpot, Zoho, Canva. Then compare. Keyword overlap. Keyword. Google Sheets template. This is jpr.com. 3, ClickUp 48, HubSpot 6, Zoho 76, Canva.com 15. Search volume 22.2K. KD 73. jpa.com 3, this keyword, and then missing keyword. This keyword jpr 0, ClickUp 31, and HubSpot 35, Zoho 86, Canva 4, but jpr is 0. We can keep it this keyword. And how to measure sales in Excel. This keyword jpr is also 0, but we take this keyword. We can take this keyword. In this two way, we can get keyword ideas. from SEMrush. Now we go to the content strategy builder. Under keyword research, content strategy builder. Digital marketing agency. This is our seed keyword. We keep it here more keywords. Digital marketing agency, digital marketing, and more. US and create list. Topics and pages, tables. We can see it tables as a table. Intent, ROI marketing, digital. Keyword, topic, page, volume, KD, CPC, competitive density, sharp and top competitor. This seat keywords digital marketing agency and keyword from here we can get idea. AI tools, volume 49.5K, global volume, intent CPC. SERP analysis 1 to 10. SEO content template ideas, but it is keyword overview. Now we go to the SEO writing assistant. SEO writing assistant here analyzes my text. Here we can keep this content and paste it here. AI tools. Get recommendation. Media score 4.6 out of 10. Turn up voice, SEO, readability, and originality. We can check it. Readability. Readability 62.0 words and target words. Title issue, content issue, then everything it recommend. Then SEO. Target keywords AI tools. Links to improve, try it, ChatGPT, Jasper, and more. Turn up voice, somewhat formal. Consistency 80%. From here, we can keep idea under keyword research, position tracking, project name or domain, or create project, domain name, then create project. Unit tests, location, and continue to keywords. Import from suggestion, SEMrush suggestion, or Google Analytics, CSV from others. SEMrush suggestion, then import. Position tracking, landscape, visibility, estimated traffic, average position, ranking distribution, top keyword. Best type to post on TikTok, Buffer app, Buffer social media apps. View all 10 keywords. Pages, top pages. Average position 9. This URL 320. This URL 9. Landing page in this way you can see. Affected keywords 4. Cannibal pages 7. Cannibal pages, that means cannibal pages, that means same keywords, same targeted keywords is 7 pages. So one page is competitor, another page. This is called cannibal pages. Overview. These keywords, your traffic 0, your post growth 0, 1, ranking overview, KD, search result, intent, your traffic, position MAME, 1, 1, there's ranking overview, pages, this root domain, keywords count 3, intent rates, estimated traffic, Average position May 13, position 1. Position tracking URL intent rates, estimated traffic, estimated position, total volume. Competitors and competitors discovery. Competition map. Competitor Wafat.com, Wikipedia, Greenlight.com, Dictionary.com, Google.com, Shopify.com, and Analyzify.com, and more. Competitors 1 to 10. Visibility Wikipedia.org 21.03%. Greenlight.com 13.434%. Shopify.com 10.321%. This is position tracking. Backlink gap. And competitor HubSpot.com, Moz.com, Astep.com, and then find prospect. Backlink gap. Referring domain 1 to 100. Amazon.in online services. Monthly 239 million. Buffer 0. 6. Food shoot.com 6. HubSpot 66. Moz 3. But buffer is 0. Amazon.in. Kana.k. Buffer is 0. Monthly search volume 63.6 million. Monthly, last month. এত million. Last month, unique visitor. This is visitor matrix, monthly visitor. This is prospect. Whoever can take backlinks from here. From this website, buffers can take backlinks. Puruspet 214 from transpilot.com. HubSpot 295. Moz 262 and HF 13 from transpilot.com. So here is a good prospect to take backlinks from this website for buffer.com. Chart. Authority score and referring domain score. Backlink gap. Then we go to the SEO audit. Site audit. Pages, website. You can keep it or not. Send an email. Okay. Site audit. Start audit. Site audit. Site health 76%, no changes. Your site. Errors 70, warnings 176, and notice 122. Crawlability 94%, HTTPS 98%, core web vitals 0%, site performance 100%, internal linking 87%, markup 98%. Crawl pages 100, no changes. Healthy 10, broken 3, have issues 79, redirects 5, block 3. Top issues 4, excess errors 3. And if we click here, and why and how to fix it, about the issue and how to fix it. Same way, missing ref lang and lang attributes warning 39 warning, 3 errors 39 warnings, and why and how to fix, about the issue and how to fix it. Same way, incorrect pages found in sitemap.xml. One issue and how to fix it, about the issue and how to fix it. File status available, robot.txt updates. Issues, (46) internal links are broken. 16 pages have duplicate meta description. 3 pages return 4x extra code. Crawl pages, crawl page title, status, issue, crawl depth. This is crawl pages. Statistics compare crawls, progress, this impact. Progress. General errors, warnings, notice. Total issue. Missing title tags, duplicate title tag, duplicate content, broken internal links, various errors here, warnings and notice. More. You can find in this way, you can find your website issue, your website warning by site audit. If you think this video is useful for you, then like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next.